How to use Node AI Homework Helper. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Play Store, search for Node AI Helper. Now click on Install. Now after the application is installed, tap on Open. Now tap on Get Started. Now click on Continue. Now place the camera icon into the equation. Now choose the question, tap on OK. So here's the answer. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question on the search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.